Talk to me.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from One More Hair. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as play and makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. Okay, so again, I received this unit from One More Hair, and it came in this box right here. So inside of the box, it came a bag with their logo on it one more time, and then we as well have a wig cap, a little thank you card with money off on your next purchase. We have some cute lashes, and then as well the wig, which I already took it out of the package because you already know we had to bleach the knots and all that good stuff. So let's get into the unit. Here she is, looking very pretty and thick. I will as well have another look up here as to how the unit came before I even did what I did to it. So yeah, here it is. I believe it's body wave, and I want to say it's 26 inches, but you already know we're going to have the details once we jump further into the video. But we're just going to take a look at it, get a good look at the ends. It's just very nice and thick, girl. So I want to say again, you guys, this is maybe a 13 by 4. So yeah, this is what the inside of the cap is looking like. Then we have two combs, one on either side, as well as adjustable straps, or girl, a comb at the bottom and adjustable straps as well. And then we have some lace too that we need to trim off, but so far we're looking pretty good. Here is what the hairline is looking like. And I did again pluck it for the most part. It probably doesn't look like that. You'll see it better once we put it on, but this is what the hairline is giving. And yeah, girl, one more time for this unit, and then we're gonna go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace using my lace tinting spray from the brand Red in the shade medium dark brown. So now I'm just putting my wig on, and y'all, do not come for me because this hairline is pretty thick, and yes, I did try to pluck it some, but it's just still super thick. But anyways, so I'm gonna glue her down using my Got To Be Glue Free spray. I'm gonna spray around the hairline, and then I'm gonna blow dry it in. So now that I'm done cutting the lace, I'm going in with my Black Radiance Contour Palette, and I'm going to put those powders all along the hairline because as you can see, it is a little white. So we're just going to blend it in a lot better. After I get it to my liking, I'm going back in with some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray, spraying around the hairline and then blow drying it in. And this is going to create the perfect melt. So now for styling, I'm going to do a side part because again, this hairline is very thick and I just want to cover it up a little bit. So I'm going to go with the side part, but before we get to the side part, I just want to show you guys the parting space. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and part out the side part. So now I'm taking my wax stick and I'm going to place that along the parting space. Then I'm going to go in with my hot comb, and this is just going to make the hair lay down and get it to get very sleek. So after I get it to get very sleek, I'm then going to start molding or sculpting my side swoop or whatever, and just kind of just swoop it with my comb, get it to my liking, then brush it a little bit. But yeah, we're just trying to sculpt the swoop. Now I'm just taking a little bit of the side swoop out and making that a part of my baby hair, and I'm just going to take a little bit out and then cut it, curl it with my little flat iron, and then to swoop it over I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray. But I then went in with my wax stick because it was a little hard to get it to lay down, but you'll see we're going to get it to lay down by any means necessary. And we cannot forget about our sideburns, so I'm just taking a little hair out for the sideburns and basically doing the same steps that I did for the baby hair. So I decided to go ahead and straighten this unit. Even though it's a body wave unit, I kind of wanted straight hair. So that's what I'm doing, just taking it piece by piece and flat ironing it with my flat iron. Okay sis, so this is what we ended up looking like, y'all. The hair is super cute. Like, I cannot keep my hands out of the hair. So anyways, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. Y'all, and let me stand up so you can see how long it is. Again, I'm 5'7". So yeah, so that is the unit. Let's go ahead and push the hair back up and get situated. So yeah, girl, look, I'm just a mess. Anyway, sis, all of these like flyaways, but let me tell you guys, while I'm getting situated, I did off camera add some Fructis Sleek and Shine serum because this unit does have so many flyaways. Girl, this is, girl, look, I can't even talk. I'm just speechless because this works so good. I literally put this in every human hair unit that I have, and it just makes it super, just like it says, sleek, shiny, but not too shiny. But yeah, anyways, let's get into the details of this unit. Again, I received this from One More Hair, and on their website, let's pull it up. It says that this is their Body Wave Wig HD Transparent Lace Frontal Wig, 13x4. I got it in the length of 26 inches. The density is between 150 to 200. I want to say it's 180 because they didn't say what percentage it was, but just given the feel of it, it's not too thin and it's not too thick. So we're going to go with 180 density. It as well says that this is 100% virgin human hair without chemical processing, natural black hair color, HD Swiss lace, 22 to 22.5 inches of the cap size. It is adjustable. It says natural hairline, bleach knots, pre-plucked with just, it says natural hairline, and it says the goods will be shipped out within 24 to 48 hours, and it takes 3 to 5 business days to receive it. So let's get into the details. So again, the cap size is 22 to 22.5. It is big head friendly. It fit on my head perfectly. You guys already know my head is super big. I'm not gonna, well, hold on, I'm not gonna say super big, but it is pretty big, and it fit perfectly. It's not too tight at all. It's literally just a perfect fit. The hair itself, the texture is just really soft, y'all. Again, I cannot keep my hands out of this hair. It really shocked me how well it straightened because I thought I was gonna have a hard time because this is a body wave unit, but one pass with my flat iron and girl, like, the hair is just gorgeous. Even before I added the serum or whatever, it was just very sleek. And again, you can run your fingers through it. You receive minimal shedding. I wouldn't say that it's a lot at all, and it's probably because I did have to pluck quite a bit of hair from the hairline or whatever, so maybe that is why I got the shedding that I did. But again, it's minimal shedding, but girl, it's just really super sleek, and you can just run your fingers straight through it. I think the ends of the hair is good. It's not bad. I don't need to trim it or anything. I will say that I think this is leaning more towards a 24-inch unit to me instead of a 26-inch. I think it should have been just a little bit longer, but don't quote me because I did not measure this unit at all. It's just feeling like a 24-inch unit. And once you straighten it, again, y'all, it's very sleek. It thins out just a little bit because at first I was like, oh my goodness, this unit is super thick. But once you straighten it and add the serum, it kind of just makes it a little bit more sleek, but not too thin. Again, you guys, I said it's like 180% density, not 150, 180% density. But yeah, just really nice overall. The hairline, again, you guys, I did have to pluck quite a bit on this hairline, and I did insert a clip in the beginning. I'll insert it again what the hairline looked like when I first received it. And I'm not a good plucker, but again, you guys, I had to pluck a lot just to get it to look the way that it does. When I put it on, I could have plucked a whole lot more, just given the fact that it was a full hairline. So if you're not a good plucker, probably get somebody to help you pluck it, and or watch a YouTube video on how to pluck the hairline because it is pretty full. But y'all, the hair is nice. I will say that it laid, the hairline laid okay. I don't like the fact that I have to put so much product on the edges in order for them to lay down. Like, I struggle. Like, sis, you can see that it's coming up right there and on the side, like it's not staying down. And I added the wax stick. I added the got to be glue spray, which I normally only use got to be glue spray. I'll probably have to go in with some gel and then lay it down with a scarf and see if that holds it. But that's the only con about this unit, is that the baby hairs are a little tough to lay down. But it's not bad hair. It's not bad quality hair. Like, the hair is, again, y'all, super sleek. You can run your fingers through it. It's just really nice hair. So I'm not sure as of why the baby hairs are not laying the way that I want them to and not staying down. But I mean, it is what it is. Again, you guys, the hair is very pretty. I did add some powder to the part, just, you know, so it can stand out a little more. But overall, sis, it's pretty hair. I will have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.